Mas nag-electric field na ba tayo? Electric force pa lang. Ano po? Tama ba? Okay. Okay, next. Three charge objects are placed as shown. So, alalahanin lang po natin. So, what is electric force? So, makukuha natin sa electric force using the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is equals to, Coulomb's law is F is equals to K, which is K is the constant for the Coulomb's law. And so, that is what we call the Coulomb's constant, and then it is equal to 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. And then, baba. So, mapapansin niyo po dito, yung R is the distance between the charges. How about kapag tatlo na po yung charge po natin, like this one? Okay, ibig sabihin po niyan, meron po tayong effect. Ano po, doon sa isang charge, both by those two charges na nakapalibot sa kanya. Sabihin natin, dito po kay negative 5 microcoulomb. Ano po? So, may effect po si negative 4 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb. Same with kay negative 4. May effect po si negative 5 microcoulomb and also si 5 microcoulomb. And same with this one dito sa last. Okay? Ibig sabihin, same na meron po tayong magiging force. It's either attraction or repulsion. Sabihin natin, meron tayong negative 5 microcoulomb. Ibig sabihin, dahil meron ditong 5 microcoulomb and negative 4 microcoulomb, ibig sabihin po niyan, meron po tayong attraction dito po kay negative 4, kay 4 microcoulomb and also kay 5 microcoulomb. Dahil po dito ay negative 5 microcoulomb and 4 microcoulomb. So, negative and then positive. So, magkakaroon sila ng attraction. Okay, and then dito po, kay 5 microcoulomb, and negative 5, magkakaroon, pares pala itong negative. So, magkakaroon pala tayo ng repulsion. Ano po? So, papalayo. And then, dito kay negative 5 microcoulomb, and then 5 microcoulomb. So, kapag ganyan. Okay, so attraction po sila. So, ito po yung ating mga forces. Yung ating mga vectors. Ano po? So, dito po, three charged objects are placed as shown. So, find the net force on the object with the charge negative 4 microcoulomb. So, ang magiging basis po natin is this one. Ito pong si negative 4 microcoulomb. Ibig sabihin, ano po ang magiging force kapag po meron po tayong negative 5 microcoulomb and 5 microcoulomb? Kasi 3 charges tayo eh. Okay? So, mapapansin niyo po dito para sa negative, so papalayo. Papalayo po ang atin. Sabihin natin, this is F1. And then, si 5 microcoulomb and negative 4 microcoulomb. So, dahil sila ay negative and positive, so attraction. So, this is F2. Ang sabi, net force, meaning, we must get the sum of these forces. Ano mapapansin niyo po sa ating forces? So, magkaiba po sila ng direction. So, we must consider the direction when adding the forces, and then we will use, dahil ganito po yung ating magiging direction both for F1 and F2, meaning we must use the FPD. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng direct lang i-add yung makukuha nating F1 and yung makukuha nating F2. Maalala po ninyo, yung merong mga X component, Y component, ganun po siya. So let us solve. Since alam po natin na meron tayong direction for F1 and F2, so we must have first the magnitude of F1 and F2. Okay? Our formula for F is K Q1, Q2 all over by R squared. We have Q1. Sabihin natin ito si Q1. This is Q2. So Q1 is, ito yung pagbabasihan natin ha, yung force between negative 4 and negative 5. Q1 is negative 5 microcoulomb. Q2 is negative 4 microcoulomb. Next. So F1 natin, what is our K? May K po tayo na 9 times 10 raised to 9 Newton meter squared per coulomb squared. Ang Q1 po natin, negative 5, kaso naka-micro. Ano po? So 1 microcoulomb, how many, it is equal to how many coulombs? So 10 raised to negative 6 coulomb. So, dahil siya naka-negative, alsin na lang natin. Ano po? Lagyan natin po ng absolute. Negative 5 times 10 raised to negative 6 times negative 4 times 10 raised to negative 6 all over by R squared. Ang ating R, meron po ba tayong R? Anong ulit po ang R natin? Yung R natin is the distance between these two charge. So, do we have the distance between these two charge? Wala po. So, we must get the distance. And as you can see, it can form a right triangle. Meaning, this is our one leg, the other leg, and then this is our hypotenuse, right? Is our hypotenuse. So, mm, so how will we get this R? Let's say this is R1. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Hindi mo ito sobrang haba. Sakto lang. So this is 20 centimeter. Then this is 20 centimeter. R1. So R1 is equals to square root of Pythagorean. Ano po? R1 square root of 20 centimeters squared plus 20 centimeters squared. So, what is our answer? Makikita po sa chat box. $28.2843. How about the others? 28.2843. Okay. So, same naman po kayo lahat, ano? 28.28. 2843 centimeter. Okay. So, we'll just substitute it in our formula. 28.2843 centimeter. Since this is in centimeter, we must convert it to meter. Times 10 raised to negative 2 meter. Hindi ko pala ito nalagyan ng column. Okay. Square. Cancel. Cancel. Okay, what is our answer, class? 2.25 Newton. How about the others? $2.25 newtons. Okay, so we already have the F1. Next, let's get F2. Ito ay Q1, Q2. Tama. Next, sabihin this is Q3. So, F2, ito po ay sa pagitan ni Q3 and also Q2. Naintindihan po? Makikitong sa po naintindihan. Okay. F2 is equals to so K, then Q2, Q3. Bakit po Q2, Q3 na? Dahil po sa pagitan na po ni 5 microcoulomb and negative 4 microcoulomb all over by R squared. So, ang K natin, 9 times 10 raised to 9 times Newton Newton meter squared per coulomb squared times Q2. Q2 natin is negative 4. Negative 4 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulomb, and then 5 times 10 raised to negative 6 all over by r squared. May given naman po. Ano po? The distance between these two charges, it is 4, sorry, 20 centimeter. So 20 times 10 raised to negative 2 meters squared. So what is our F2? So 4.5 Newton. Okay. Next, we must get the net force. Okay. Next. So, paano po si F1 and F2? Si F1 po natin is pababa. Ano po? So, sabihin natin, ito po yung ating graph. So, si F1 natin is pababa. And then, si F2 is papunta po dito sa kaliwa. Okay po. So, ang F1 natin is 2.25 newtons. Ang F2 natin is 4.5 newtons. After po niyan, i-add na po natin. Ano po? So, kaso kailangan po natin ng angle. Since this is isosceles triangle, so this is 45 degrees and this is 45 degrees. So meaning this is 45 degrees. Kunin natin si summation of forces along x. Summation of forces along x po natin is F1 and then x component, this one. Ano po itong part natin? F1 F1 natin is, dahil po ay naka-adjacent, wait lang. So, F1 natin is 2.25 Newton cosine 45. Okay, cosine 45. Okay, ano pong answer po natin? Sorry, meron pa palang isa. So, dahil po nasa kaliwa po siya, so minus 4.5 Newton. Makikitype po sa chat box. Okay, anong answer po ninyo? Negative 2.9090. Then, Fy, ang kanyang y interval. Ito po siya, y interval. Y component, sorry. So, siya ay naka-opposite. So, F1 sine 45 minus, sorry. So, si F1 is pababa. So, ito yung negative. And then, si F2 is, may F2 ba tayo? Wala po. Sa Y. Kasi nakalay na po siya kay X component. Negative F1, 2.25 sine 45. May ano po ang answer po natin? Negative 1.591. Okay? Negative 1.591009. Ano talaga? Ano? Negative 1.59. X. So, i-add na po natin kunin natin yung resultant. Parang, ano po yung magiging fx natin. So, ito yung ating summation of fx. Then, this is our summation of fy. So, diba, para makuha natin si ating resultant, so kukunin natin yung ating FR. Ano po? So, ito yung resultant natin. So, Pythagorean theorem ulit. FR is equals to summation of fx squared plus summation of fy squared. Square root negative 2.9090 squared plus negative 1.59 squared. Okay, ano pong answer natin, class? So, 3.3152. 3.3152 Newton. Okay. Next, sabihin natin, ito po. Kunin natin yung angle. Ang angle po natin, tangent, bakit? Opposite over adjacent. So, tangent ni Fy, inverse tangent ni summation of Fy, all over by summation of Fx. Inverse tangent natin,
Saan ko munang kumuha ng cash sa aking tabihan?
1.59 all over by Fx, negative 2.0909. Sorry, 9090. Okay, ano pong answer po natin?
Hindi may 50 pa ako dito. Nagpo-provide kasi yung concept mo. May cash ka siya.
Okay, so our answer is 28.6601 degrees. So, paano po yan? Ano? So, kung ilalagay po natin sa graph, dahil po parehas negative yung ating x and yung ating y, so dito po siya maglalay. And then, ito po yung ating 28.6601 degrees. And then, siya po ay 3.3152 Newton. Okay, naintindihan po? Sige po. So, hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo, class. Then, tuloy natin sa uh, Friday. Lesson 1 pa nakalagay. Lesson 1 for electricity na. Okay,